let me show you the most space-saving way you can possibly roll up your rain jackets. This is going to be the Ranger roll. This is going to hold together super well and it's great for traveling as well. So for this fold, what we're going to do is again start with zippering up everything on the rain jacket. And this time we're actually going to start by folding the arms over from side to side like this. We're not going to fold them down like we've done with the other folds this week. By the way, we're doing an entire week of folding rain jackets here. And I'm going to fold the hood down as well. Make sure it's nice and flat here. From here, we're going to go ahead and we're going to flip the bottom of the rain jacket inside out like this. Now, you don't need a lot of room here. So I'm thinking a couple of inches should be plenty. Anything more than like 4 or 5 inches is too much. If you have a very long raincoat, perhaps do a little bit more than this. Anyway, the next thing we want to do here is split the jacket into 4 parts from side to side. You could also do 1/3 if you want to, but on this jacket I have a visor inside that I don't want to like break over a bunch of times. So we're going to do 1/4 so that my visor stays safe in there. So repeat on the other side so that they meet in the middle here. And we're going to turn the rain jacket around so that we have the hooded area facing us, and we have this part that we flipped inside out facing away from us. And from here we're going to start rolling the rain jacket from the top all the way down to the bottom. Also, I want to note that don't roll it extremely tightly here, as you might puncture the rain jacket, especially if you leave it like that over time. Just a regular, little bit firm roll should be plenty. Once you make it to the bottom here, we're going to lift the rain jacket up, and we're going to flip this section that we flipped inside out around the roll here. So we're going to do one side at a time. Once you have it secured on one side, turn it around, and we repeat here on the other side as well. If your roll looks kind of wonky at this point, what you can do is stick your fingers, thumbs, inside each edge here, and just kind of straighten it out. You could also give it a little bit of a massage or something like that. So that's an awesome way that you can fold your rain jackets. If you don't like rolling them, but you still want them packed very nicely together, perhaps in a flat way, what we could do instead is give it a little bit more room here at the bottom. So perhaps let's do about 1/4 the length of the jacket. So make sure you get the back side there as well. And again, we're going to fold it in 1/4 of the way, but again, you can do 1/3 if you want to, if it works for your jacket. Actually, it's probably preferable for this fold. So anyway, once you've done this on both sides, again, I'm going to turn it around here. And instead of rolling this time, I'm just going to fold it over about 1/4 the length, and we repeat one more time like this. And you probably guessed it, we're going to flip this entire section around to hold the jacket together. Now the important thing here is that you're going to spread your fingers out and hold on to it. With the other arm, just wrap it over each of the corners. So like this. The most important thing is that you get it over. After that you can kind of adjust it, like make some fine tuning in there. And by the end you should have something looking like so. This is going to hold together nicely as well. As you can see, it is also quite compact. So I hope you liked one of these ones. Please let me know which one you liked most. By the way, tomorrow I'm going to do rain pants. So kind of excited to do that as well. If you want to see that, you can tap right here, right now. And I'll see you for day 6 of this rain clothing folding week. Peace.